Hey, did someone say they weren't happy with their boyfriend?
Huh? Who are you?
Doesn't matter, but I have something you might like. This device can control your boyfriend for $100.
$100? I'll take it. Here you go.
Oh, you're doing business.
Whoa. What does this button do?
The jealous girlfriend.
Is Tony going out with another girl?
What's going on with my body? Why do I feel like dancing?
What, dancing? I'm gonna record this.
Wait, don't record me! Oh, this is embarrassing! What's going on?
I love this controller.
What's going on?
Oh, look, the video already has 1 million views.
1 million views! Oh no!
The fashionable girlfriend.
Tony, we have to change up your look.
Wait, why?
You can't take me wearing that.
Huh? But this shirt's so cool, it's orange and it's so comfortable.
Oh, fine. I'll make you dress more fashionable.
Huh? What's that? Whoa! What's my body doing?
Let's have you pick out a nice dress.
What's going on? Oh no, not a dress! Wait, what? This is so embarrassing!
This is hilarious. I feel like we're missing something. Makeup!
Makeup? Oh no! Blush and lipstick, don't make me do it! Oh no! What?
Okay, now time for some lipstick. Check yourself out.
Hey, I actually look kind of pretty.
Of course you look good. I styled you.
Can I go change now back to my orange shirt?
No, wear something nicer.
Oh, fine.
The needy girlfriend.
Tony, can we buy this fresh tomato?
No way, fresh tomatoes are too expensive. Oh, how about this tomato sauce? It's 50% off.
You're such a cheap boyfriend. Fine, I'll make you stop being cheap.
Oh, not the controller again. Oh, this is so expensive.
While we're here, we might as well buy more things.
What? Oh no.
Let's grab all these chips.
Oh, wait, no. Not the computer too. Aw.
Ooh, and all the clothes too. Thanks for buying all this for me, my love.
Oh, my bank account.
Oh yeah, this tomato.
No.
The hungry girlfriend.
Tony, can you make me some food? I'm so hungry.
Sorry, my love, I'm too busy eating chips.
Can you please make me food?
How about some chips?
No, I want real food. Go make me some.
Oh, but I don't wanna. Oh, I hate that controller. I guess you want to start with steak?
Yes, please. Ooh, and make it medium rare.
Oh, man. Oh, I can't believe Lily's making me cook steak. Oh, time to bring it to Lily.
Ooh.
Is that all?
No, I want more. Whoa.
Is that everything?
Yeah. Oh, that was so much food.
Can I go back eating chips now?
No, you have to clean.
What?
The romance movie lover.
Tony, what are we gonna watch tonight?
Just wait, you're gonna love it. We're watching my favorite horror movie.
What? A horror movie? That's just scary.
But I love scary.
I want to watch romance.
Oh, I hate this movie.
I love this movie.
You may now kiss the bride.
This scene always makes me cry. Why aren't you crying?
It's because I'm not a crier.
It's sad, right?
No, you're forcing me to cry. Stop.
Bonus content.
Shh, Lily's sleeping. There's the controller. Time for some revenge. Time to wake up, Lily.
Oh, what's happening?
Time to do chores. Let's go. Let's go, Lily. First, you have to vacuum my room.
Okay.
Alright, now I gotta pick up my clothes.
Oh, your clothes stink.
Exactly, that's why I don't want to do it.
Ew, gross.
You're not done yet, let's go.
Hi everyone. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!